Everyone, welcome to the video. We are going to solve longest subarray with sum k. In this question, we are given an array of length n along with the value k. Now we have to reach this sum k using the array values, and we have to find the length of maximum such subarray which will yield us the sum k. So in example 1, if you use 10 and 5, you will get 15, which is k, which will yield us length 2. Again, if you use 9 1 and then 5 here, then 9 1 and 5 will reach 15. What will the length of this array? It will be 3. But if you take 5 2 7 1 4, so it's 5 2 7 1, in this case you will end up getting 15, and the length of this array is 4. That is longest out of the 3, and that is our answer. Cool. Similarly, for example 2, see, the array is -1, 2, and 3. We have to reach k equal to 6. We can't reach. Okay. Since no possible subarray will yield us this sum, in that case, our answer will be 0. Okay. And we can have negative integers. That is constraint. That was one mistake I did initially. I was assuming it will be positive values, but at the end it was throwing me error. So I will use this using solve this using hash map or dictionary in Python. So I created empty dictionary, then two variables, maximum, which will store maximum length, and cs will store current sum, sorry. Okay. Now I will traverse in this array just of size n. Obviously I'll store the current sum, adding the current value. Okay. Now first check if the current sum is reached k. If the current sum has reached k, then store this in the maximum value. I plus 1 and mx initially is 0. We have initialized with 0, and as we progress it will change. So if current sum reached k, then find the range. Either be mx or I plus 1 because we are using 0 base index. Okay. Cool. Now if that's not the case, we have not reached, then we have to find how much we are remaining with. What is the remainder sum to reach the k? Remainder is cs minus k. Okay, now since we are using hash map, I will check if this remainder is present in dictionary already. If it does, then store the mx, the maximum of mx which is already there, or I minus drem. This will yield us the length of the remaining value. Okay, now cool. If we have not reached the sum, current sum has not reached k, also remainder is not there in dictionary already, then we'll check if current sum is there in dictionary or not. If it's not in dictionary, then put it there. Okay. And if it is there, then it will do a job. At the end, we'll just return the mx, which was holding the maximum length of the subarray which we are founding. Okay. So let me compile it for example test case. Yeah, example test case is running, and this should do a job for the final submission. Yeah, it does the job. It does the job in pretty less time. So I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you. Have a nice day.